So you're doing research on Rivertown. Well, come along with me and I'm going to show you the first steps that you should be taking if you are thinking about moving into the neighborhood of Rivertown. And we're starting at the Welcome Center. Let's go. So of course, Rivertown already wows you as soon as you walk into their Welcome Center. And of course, you are always greeted by one of their amazing staff members who are here to help you find the perfect home. But let's keep going. How cute is this little indoor trail system? Look at this. This is so cute. The kids would absolutely love this while you guys are working through the homes, viewing the neighborhoods. This is really cute. This is so cool. This is actually a map of Rivertown, all of the trails that they have to offer here. That is so cool. Now this is just the tip of the iceberg, and I'm sure you're gonna fall in love with the rest of this video. So go ahead while you have a second, like, subscribe, and hit the alert button so then you don't miss out on any other videos of St. Johns County, but most importantly, of all that Rivertown has to offer. Let's get back to our tour. So actually right behind me is where you'll meet with your agent and site agent and sit down and kind of choose what neighborhoods are best for you, what lots that are currently available in there, and what floor plans can go on those specific home sites. It's going to be an important table. Remember this table. Now this is just the tip of the iceberg on everything that I have to share about Rivertown. This is the Welcome Center. This is your first steps to see what this neighborhood has to offer. And soon enough, you could be walking through trails like this, but in real life. But if you'd like to schedule and meet up here or to see what Rivertown's all about in person rather than on video, then let me know. I'll actually put my calendar below so you can go ahead and schedule something with me and we can go check out all the possibilities and to see if Rivertown is the perfect neighborhood for you. But until next time, this is Demi Judd with Real Broker, and I'll help you become a local in no time. See you next time.